Today we are making a very tasty KFC style crispy oyster mushroom fry at home. Come, let's begin. For the wet batter preparation, add half cup of maida, 1/4 cup of corn flour, 2 teaspoon paprika or red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic powder, half teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon red chili sauce and 1 teaspoon black salt. Mix well. Add little water to make a thick consistency batter. Don't make it too loose batter. Now add the cleaned mushrooms into the batter one by one for the first coating. Next, for the dry coating, take another bowl and beat the egg with a pinch of salt very well. For dry coating, add 1 cup of maida, half cup of corn flour, half cup crushed cornflakes, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon oregano and black salt as per the taste. Mix well. For the coating, dip the mushrooms in the wet batter. Then coat in the dry flour. Dip them in the beaten egg. Then again coat in the dry flour. Repeat the same step for the remaining mushrooms. The last step for frying, place a pan, add the oil. Once it gets hot, fry the mushrooms on medium flame until crispy and golden. Look at that crunch. It's super crispy outside and juicy inside. Our KFC style mushroom fry is ready. Try it and let me know how it turned out.